Light blue, and it's the only one that didn't have salt water in it. I put it right there.
Right there last night?
Yes.
And I think they folded up all the towels from last night. I thought it was going to rain.
You know where the rope's coming off of?
Your end right there. It's actually in the boat.
Oh.
There you go. Manatees, starfish. You saw manatee? No, no manatees.
Hey, Stell, is this yours?
I think it's yours.
Like once the tape was falling in. Want me to go? You're just hoping.
I don't want to wish anything bad on anybody.
I appreciate that.
Wow, graceful. Under pressure, you do well.
You got pretty graceful.
Are we pulling it up or are we just pulling it off? Are we pulling it up, Greg?
Yeah, we are.